What's up? It's Andy here from Mr. and Mrs. Delicious. And I made an absolutely fantastic lasagna yesterday, but now I have some leftovers. So I want to take these leftovers and really take them to the next level. So I opened the fridge, the lasagna looks great, looks juicy, and it looks like it needs a little makeover for tonight's dinner. And I peeled it open, and to me, it just needed a little bit more pizzazz in this layer here. So I went to peel the next layer, and we are glued shut with ricotta and broccoli. I have my tomato sauce here. It's a fantastic sauce that I like, and it's just a store-bought sauce, so I'm gonna add some more of this. Not all sauces are made equal. So when a good sauce goes on sale, I like to pick up a few, and because you can taste the difference between a cheap sauce and a good sauce, and if you keep an eye out, you'll always find the sauce you like, the good high quality sauces for a good price. So I'm gonna throw some more sauce, and you know what? I'm gonna throw some more sauce back here. I just want it to be layered properly. Really, really greasy today. Really, saucy. When you think you've added enough cheese, there's always one simple thing. Am I still adding cheese? No. So then continue to add more cheese. If we were going for a healthier option, I would say maybe cottage cheese, but the ricotta is a classic for lasagna. It's so fluffy and it's so beautiful. And that's another thing too, not all ricotta is made equal. This is a high quality Saputo ricotta. It's fantastic, and I wouldn't cheap out on this ingredient for sure. So I'm gonna put another layer of ricotta, nice thick layer. Wow, this is gonna be good today. Nice thick layer of ricotta on the leftovers to bring a whole new meal out of this, you know? Leftover lasagna, it was delicious, right straight out of the oven, but I want more. Leftovers are something that people often overlook. They don't think they can be rejuvenated back to the original dinner, but this lasagna might actually be better than the original dinner. So I'm gonna get a little shot of this, why not? I'm gonna fold my top back over, beautiful. This is just gonna revitalize my top layer of lasagna, and it's just gonna take this dish back to that absolutely perfect level. You wouldn't wanna fill your fork with something that you don't necessarily absolutely love. But this is really gonna take these leftover lasagna right back to where it belongs. Number one on the charts. Moist noodles, rejuvenated ingredients. I can't wait to see how this is gonna look. So then I'm gonna take some more cheese. And evenly disperse that on top. Perfect. So the key here is to keep the moisture inside the lasagna. We could bring these leftover reheated lasagna to the potluck at work, and they would think you made it perfectly for them, and it's just leftovers. Make sure the tinfoil is not too tight on the top, because you don't want it to brush against the cheese and then stick to the cheese, and then our leftovers are practically ruined. So you don't want that to happen. So make sure that the tinfoil leaves enough space on the top. So I'm gonna throw this in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. I'm gonna check it after about 30 minutes, see how it looks. And because it is gonna take a long time to fully reheat all this food. Beautiful. So that is the lasagna right there, fresh out of the oven. It's got a new lease on life, and I'm very excited. So what we're gonna do is let this cool down for, listen to it, listen. That is nice. So we're gonna let this cool down for about 15 minutes, and we'll serve it up. To me, a great lasagna is a juicy lasagna, one that somewhat stays together. Obviously a lot of ricotta cheese in there, that is a key, that's obvious. A good lasagna to me means a piece of home, a slice of home. With a great recipe and a nice movie, a piece of lasagna is sometimes all you need. When you think you've added enough cheese, go ahead, add a little more. make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn your notifications on. We're constantly working on new amazing content, new recipes all the time. This is Mr. Delicious signing out. These aren't leftovers. These are more delicious day laters.